Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off liquid glass feature on iPhone in iOS 26. So guys, if you have updated your device to the latest version, that is iOS 26, and now you want to turn off this liquid glass feature on your iPhone in iOS 26, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, as you can see this, the liquid glass feature is active on my iPhone. Here I will show you how can you turn it off. So guys, for that you have to simply open settings on your device and then scroll it below and go to accessibility and then go to display and text size, and from here you have to simply turn on the toggle for a reduced transparency. Simply turn it on, and after this go back, and now you will see there will be no liquid glass feature on your iPhone, or it will not be affecting appearance of your screen. So guys, you can see this, it is reduced. So guys, in this way you can also turn off liquid glass feature on iPhone in iOS 26. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.